Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel. So guys, yes, in this video we'll be learning a new intraday trading strategy which is very different. Okay, and it's very simple and it's based on calculation, that is formula based. Okay, so I'll be explaining you the formula and the calculation also in this video, and also you will be getting an Excel sheet which will be easy for you to use this strategy. Okay, so in the Excel sheet, if you just enter the value, you'll get a buy value and sell value and everything. So I'll explain you about all these things in this video. Okay, so this strategy is very easy for beginners and there is no indicators in this. Okay, it's just a simple calculation what we use, and also this strategy can be used wherever you're trading and whenever you're trading. Okay, even if you're trading on your phone, it will be easy for you with the Excel sheet. Okay, so I'll be telling you in this video about this strategy, and also how to pick stock for the strategy and how to take a entry, exit, and all these things I'll be telling you. Okay, and also even if you are a beginner, the strategy is very easy and simple for you. Okay, you can practice this strategy even if you are a beginner also. Okay, so I'll be telling you all these things in this video, so make sure you watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. Okay, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, and also if you want to learn how to make money consistently in intraday trading and want to recover your losses, you can join my course today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, there is an offer from Upstock where you can earn interest when you open your trading account. So you can open your free trading account by clicking on the link in the description below of this video. So there's a little bit of advantages what you get here. That is, you get zero balance saving account which is powered by Indus India Bank, and you get brokerage credit up to 500 rupees, and you can earn up to 6% interest on your trading account balance. So whatever balance you maintain, you get up to 6% on that. And there's a smart transfer features to skip transfers between your saving and trading account. Okay, and also once you open your Upstock account by using my link in the description below of this video, you'll be added to my Telegram channel where I news on stock market and also some interesting fact about stock market where I'll be sharing with you guys. Okay, so guys, now by being said that, now let me teach you the strategy itself. So first, let's talk about stock selection process for this strategy. Okay, and then I'll be explaining you about the formula and the calculation. Okay, so the first thing is how to pick the stock for this strategy. So you have to go to NSE India website. Okay, and come to most active stocks, and here you can pick any stock. Okay, active by most active stock by value or the volume. Okay, it's better if you pick from volume also. And now the question comes, what time you should pick? So you should see this list around 9:20 a.m. that is after the 5 minutes after market opening. So the market opens at 9:15, so exactly after 5 minutes, that is at 9:15, that is at 9:20. Okay, so after the 5 minutes at 9:20, you just come to NSE India website and click here on most active. Here you can choose the stock. Okay, choose the stock whichever you're comfortable with. Okay, so don't pick all the 10 stocks and get confused. Pick only one or two which you're comfortable with and you can trade with that. Okay, so once you pick the stock, let me explain you what you should do now. Okay, so once you pick the stock, just add it to your watch list, and now let me explain you the formula so that you will understand what the strategy is. Okay, so this is the formula what we are using for our strategy today. Okay, that is previous day high and previous day low. Okay, you will minus it. Okay, that is previous day high minus previous day low. So once you do that, you will get an answer. The answer what you get should be multiplied by 0.67 and divided it by 4. So you will get one answer. So that answer what you get, that will be a main point for us. We have to save that answer. So this answer should be added to your next day first 5 minutes candle high and to the candle low. So first 5 minutes candle high plus the answer is your buy side. That's the level where you will buy the stock, and first 5 minutes candle low minus the answer is the sell level where you will be short selling the stock. Okay, so yes, this might sound confusing for you for the first time, but it's very simple and easy. So to make it easy and simple, I am giving you the Excel sheet for you. Okay, with all these things ready, where you just have to input the value of high and low and all the things, and then you will get an answer whether to buy or sell the stock, and everything you will get it like this. So this Excel sheet also will be in the description below of this video, where you guys can check it out. Okay, so now let me explain you the strategy. Okay, so I have selected the stocks here. So I have selected all the stocks for the example for this video. So don't select all the stocks. You can select only one or two when you're trading. Okay, if you choose more stock, you'll get confusion in what to trade and what not to trade. Got it? So now, yeah, I have said you the stock selection process. Now the strategy process. Okay, so we'll put 1 day candle chart first. Okay, and if you're trading today, so you have to see yesterday's, that is previous day's candle high and low in 1 day candle, that is previous day high and low. Okay, and before that you have to measure the candle of a previous day, because it should be within 5%. Okay, if it's above 5%, then ignore that stock. You should not select the stock for this strategy. Okay, so here yesterday, I mean the previous day, the stock has moved about 3.9%, which is eligible for our strategy. So we'll pick Tata Motors to trade now. So now what you should do? Okay, so now you should take the high and low of a previous day. Okay, now let's go to Excel sheet. The high is 319.8 and 307.50 is a low. So let's just enter this. 319.80 was a high and the low was 307.50. Okay, and enter it, and now we'll get an answer. So don't do anything here. And now what you have to do is, as I said, you now put 5 minutes candle chart. Now we'll come to the trading days chart. Okay, so the day what you're trading. So now what you have to do is, you have to see first 5 minutes candle high and the low. So the high is 316.30 and the low is 312.50. So now let me just input here. So I have given the column here 5 minutes high and 5 minutes low. So you can enter the high here, that is 316.30 is a high, and the low is 312.50. 312.50. So this is a first 5 minutes candle high and low. So once you enter that, you get your buy value and sell value. So here what it is telling is, you have to buy it once it crosses 318.36, that is 35, and sell at 310.40. Okay, so you can round off the decimal value. So now let's see what it has happened in our chart. Okay, so 318.35 is a buy level. So let me just quickly mark it here. Let me take an horizontal. So what was the buy level? So the buy level was 318.35, 318.35, somewhere here is our buy level. And what is the sell level? It is telling 310.40. So 310.40. So we'll mark that also, 310. 0.40, somewhere here is our sell level. Okay, so if the stock breaks this, you can buy it, and if it's coming down, you can sell it. So here, as you can see, the stock went up. Okay, so it hit 318.35 and went all the way up till 324. Okay, so almost 2% return you have got here. Okay, so this is the strategy. Okay, so now comes to the target and stop loss question. How much target you should keep? What is the risk reward for the strategy? Okay, so you can keep 1:2 risk reward ratio. Okay, so the safest target will be up to 1%, and the stop loss can be 0.5%. And if you are a scalper and if you want to take your quick profit and exit, keep 0.5% target and 0.5% stop loss. Okay, that is 1:1. Even that also can be done. So what if you keep 0.5%, the chances of hitting your target is more. Even 1% will also hit easily. Okay, so 0.5 is for the easy traders who are beginners or who want to be more safer and book their profit early and exit it. Okay, so now let's come to the next stock in the list, that is JSW Steel. So going to the JSW Steel, first you have to put the 1-day candle chart to see the previous day's high and low, and before you see the high and low, make sure you measure it. So as I said you, so click on this and measure it. So if you measure it, it is telling almost 12% up range bound has been done on the previous day. So what you should do, you should not select this stock. So as I said you, it should be within 5%. So JSW we are not selecting for the trading. So now let's come to the next stock, that is SBIN in the list. Okay, yes, I've already added that. So SBIN, that is SBI is a list. So now let me just measure this candle for the previous day. What is the percentage? So 2.4%, and this is eligible for our trading. So now let's take the high and low of this candle. So the high is 363.3 and the low is 354.3. Let me just quickly enter here. So 363.30 is a high and the low was 354.40. yes, and here you get the answer. So don't touch the answer column, just leave it as it is. Now put the 5 minutes candle and take the first 5 minutes candle high and low. Okay, so here is the first 5 minutes candle. So the high is 354.40 and the low is 351.25. So let me just quickly enter here. 354.40 was the high and the low was 351.25. So once you enter it, you got your buy and sell level as an answer. So the buy is at 355.89. So let's consider it as 90. That is 355.90 is a buy and 349.75 is a sell value. So now let's see how the stock has performed. So let me just quickly mark it. 355.90 is a buy. So 355.90, somewhere around here is our buy which has been triggered, and the sell level was 349.75 which has not triggered. Let's just mark it 349.75. yeah, somewhere over here is a sell level. So if the stock had hit this lower level, you could have taken a sell entry, but no, stock has went up, so you will buy it. Okay, so we will buy it at 355.90 and the stock went all the way up till 364.50. yes, here also he have got a good movement, almost 2% more than that the target has been achieved here. Okay, and you can see that was a support for the whole day, and once that support broke, the stock did come down. Okay, so this is how the strategy is working. Okay, you guys can backtest it and use this strategy. And now let's see the other strategy. Now let's see the other stock. Okay, so the next stock is Tata Steel. So Tata Steel 1-day candle, let's check the previous day range what it has given. So let me use the measure for that. Measure high to low. So if you see, it is showing 7.5 again. Okay, almost 7.2 to 7.5. so we should not select this stock because it's above 5%. Okay, now let's see the next stock, that is ICICI Bank in the list. Yes, ICICI Bank is in the list. So select it, come to the measure first. Let's use a measure tool and measure its 2.1%, and yes, it is eligible for our strategy to trade. So let me quickly take the high and low of this. So the high is 585.85 and the low is 573.30. So let me quickly enter it here in my Excel sheet. 585.85 and 573 is a low. 573.30 was a low. Yes, entered. And now let's see the first 5 minutes candle high and low to get our levels. So the first 5 minutes candle high is 573.95 and the low is 565.3. Let me just quickly enter it here. 573.95 is a high and the low was 565.30. Enter, and you got the buy level and the sell level as an answer. So the buy is at 576.05 and the sell is at 563.20. so let us see how the stock has performed. Let me go to the draw tool and draw a line on our buy and sell. So the buy is at 576.05, 576.05 somewhere here. Yes, and the low is, and the sell level is 563.20, 563.20. somewhere over here is our sell value. So now let's see what has happened in this. Okay, so we got our buy triggered at 576 and the stock went all the way up till 579. Okay, and it came down. If you have kept stop loss, your stop loss would have been triggered here. Okay, but if you have kept 0.5%, your 0.5% target is achieved. That is, for 500 rupees stock, the 0.5% is almost 2.5 rupees. So your buy is at 576 and it has made a high of 579. That is 3 rupees. Your 0.5% target has been achieved here. Okay, but if you have kept 1% of your target, your stop loss would have been achieved here, because 1% it didn't go. It went only it only went till 0.5 to 0.55% up only here. Okay, so this was the reason why I said 0.5% will be safest for safe traders. And yes, sometimes the stop loss will hit in this strategy. Okay, but if you follow it on continuous and regular basis, you will be in a profit for overall week or overall month. Okay, so you guys can backtest this strategy on your own, and also let me know in the comment section how you feel about the strategy. And also please do like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel to learn more knowledge and strategies like this regarding trading. Okay, and coming to the stock picking, again, as I said, you have to pick the stock from here only, that is from most active gear, by the value and the volume, not by any other things. Okay, you can pick any nifty 50 stocks above 150 rupees, but the stock should give a movement here. Okay, so the stock should have a movement in order to make the strategy work. So if you pick a stock from most active side, so these stocks will 99% give you the volatility. Okay, that means the whole day movement will be there, which will be easy for you to get the trade and achieve your profit. Okay, so that's the reason why I said you to select the stock from most active sites. Okay, so sometimes top gainer and top loser, what that happen is some stocks will open in a gap up and be in a range bound and they won't give any of the movement. Even the top loser sometimes will open in a gap down like -3% or -4%, and they won't move for the whole day. Okay, so that's the reason why I said you to select the stock from most active, so that the stocks will be active throughout the day and you get your volatility done. Okay, so this was a strategy. So picking a stock at 9:20 a.m, calculating the level, and you can also use my Excel sheet and calculate your level and get to know your buy and sell level. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. Okay, I hope you guys like this strategy. If you like it, do give a like for this video and support to the channel by subscribing and sharing the strategy with all your trading groups and friends. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips on a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also if you guys want to learn more about how to make consistent profit, and also if you're a beginner and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. Okay, and also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.